welcome back. Another video, man. This is pretty much my last day in my crib, man. I'm looking rough because I ain't had a haircut in about a month because I've been all over the place. I've been here, trying to find apartments, doing all that. So I got bad news. Since I'm self-employed, yes, I do work with Target, but I'm technically self-employed, so it's like I cut my own checks, and so I easily qualify for all the apartments I've got approved for and all that, right? Obviously, I got approved, but every apartment was having a hard time trying to believe my bank statements because they don't. Because one, I'm black, so the places they're trying to go discriminate me. Two, they don't believe I really make how much I make that shows on my bank statements. So yeah, I was having a hard time with that. So yeah, man. But there is a apartment in Anaheim that I really like. So only bad thing is I can't move there until like the middle end of August. Yeah, today is July 29th, and I'm supposed to be out of here tomorrow, July 30th. So it's like, god damn, man. So I'm homeless, but not homeless. But yeah, man, today I'm about to pack up the kitchen, bathroom, the closets. I'm about to pack everything. So I just got a U-Haul. I got all the supplies and everything. So I'm gonna attempt to show you a handy dandy sway out here. So I'm about to. I got a lot of shooting clothes. Like so I haven't gave you an official. I'm sorry, but I haven't gave you an official like full apartment tour. Unfortunately, but it's only because I'm never home and I still have stuff in boxes and laying there as from when I just moved in. So it's like this apartment was never fully settled in. So yeah, but I have 2 walk-in closets that's full of clothes and shoes. I have to where like I have to put not all my shoes, but a good amount of shoes on the floor because to make room. So I'm gonna head to a U-Haul real quick. Y'all, when I say I'm just now getting, well, to y'all it's been like 5 seconds, but to me it's been 2 hours, bro. I'm just now getting my damn U-Haul. I definitely don't recommend trying to move on your own, boy. I tell you, I'm about to give up, man. They gonna have to kick me out about that apartment. I don't feel like moving no more. I'm over this thing. Yeah, I'm finally about to leave. I got a big ass U-Haul. I feel like I'm driving a big rig over here. First of all, where's the post? They trying to go fuck me over, man. See? God, they trying to kill me. Hold on, y'all. All right, now I'm good. Now I can take the damn big rig. Oh, not going that way. Fuck that. Definitely not going that way. I'll let you go, buddy. This ain't got no backup camera or nothing. How am I supposed to drive this fucking bit? Man, look. God damn, I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. This thing is fucking huge, yo. I ain't never drove a truck this, well, I ain't gonna lie, I have. This shit feel like a damn, I don't like this at all. This is way, no homo, but this is too big for me. Yeah, man, finally got the U-Haul truck, finally, so now I can go home. And, let me go. Yeah, now I can go home, start putting my stuff in boxes, and all that, man. So let's get out of here and go to the crib ski. All right, y'all. Update. It looks a mess, but crazy. All I know is this nigga didn't drill big holes in this motherfucker. Kitchen pretty much done. I'm cooking tonight. My last meal here. Then I'm gonna come back in the morning. Got my TV. This walk-in closet is done. This walk-in closet is done. It's trash. So I'm literally just taking all the trash tomorrow morning, throw it in trash, and yeah, man. I'm about 90% 70% done. Literally everything. Take that box back. Got water in here. The whole fridge is full. And almost the next still full, but this is sort of put away. Anyway, I'm tired. I've been doing this for 3 hours. Yeah, I'm tired. But that is crazy. A year ago, I was right here, moving in. Now I'm right here later, a year later, moving up. As you see, I'm sweating though, but may not be the best place, but it's a start and I have my own place. So all that matters. It's crazy. I done had a lot of chicks in this crib. A lot of chicks been in this crib. That's crazy. Damn. This could be memories. Like 20 years old. Well, I was 20 with my own crib. Now I turned 22 in like a week and a half. Dang, man. All thanks to God, you guys. The work ethic. Stay hand sanitized too. Yeah, y'all. It's official. We are out of here. Obviously, I'll be back tomorrow morning just to pick up small stuff. But we are out of here. I'm officially homeless, y'all. I'm not playing, I'm not homeless. But for damn near feel like it shit. What it took to get here, it's where I'm at right now. I'm about to be at my second place at 21. Even though technically I'm about to be 22. My birthday's August 7th, by the way. So if you feel like cash at me some money. But yeah, man, it's crazy. Like, a lot of cheeks been in this crib. A lot of everything been in this crib. A lot of money have been in this crib. There's a lot. Man, a lot of wisdom been in this crib. A lot of hard work. Tears have been shed in this crib. Not my tears though, but other tears been shed in here. Damn. That is fucking crazy. This is lighting good though, I ain't gonna lie, this is lighting pretty good. Yeah. I'm finna grab my last thing. Sound bar, stuff in my bed. And I'm gonna get at it because I gotta return the truck by 8 o'clock. It's almost like 7:30. Drop the gas in the truck. Put a couple of boxes and get my money back for the boxes I use. That's pretty shit, man. It's been a long day. U-Haul been trying to go BS me, trying to tell me my card ain't working. Motherfucker, my card is working. Y'all machine ain't working. Damn it. Well, y'all, I ended up calling my dad because I needed help. So, yeah, baby, I'm gonna get the refund for these boxes right here. But yeah, as I was saying, this thing, man, I ain't gonna lie, it is way easier to get stuff out of here than to pack. Yeah, I ended up calling my dad for help, so shout out to him for that. And then there was this homeless dude, so yeah, we're gonna give the homeless man some money because he helped us out. So that is crazy, y'all. This is nuts. Empty, just like that. All I have left TV, my racing springs, with my stock, my OEM car springs, air fryer. The best thing ever renting was air fryer. All my hats is in that blue bag, is in my hats. Without me having that grind, me without having that work ethic, me without being money hungry, me just like working hard itself. So shout out to me too, because without me wanting to do something, I would probably still be at my grandparents' crib. But yeah, I took that leap of faith. I quit Best Buy. As you guys know my journey, I was 18. I was working at Best Buy at 18. Quit. I randomly quit because I was tired of working there. Everybody there was miserable, and in their 20s and 30s over there miserable. I quit, started filming and doing car photography full time all day, every day for like a year and a half straight. Sweating bricks all fucking day. But the best thing that came from it is where I'm at right now. And I never look back. Sometimes I do go back to Best Buy only because the homie Diamond worked there. That's my nigga. So sometimes I'll go back to the Best Buy store, just go chop it with him. I don't talk to anybody else in that motherfucker. The only people I fuck with that's still there, because I know a couple people left. But the only people that still work there as of now is the only manager I fuck with, Marvin. If you're watching this, I fuck with you. Diamond, you know that's my nigga. So I fuck with you. Y'all, this gotta be the slowest elevator a day of my life. I think it takes like 30 seconds to reach each floor. Man, ain't my elevator. Definitely spacious though. Yeah. Look. Watch. This is gonna take forever to go down. Let's see how long this takes. Man. Still going. Wow. Shit. Y'all, so this is day 2. I'm back again. Everything is completely gone besides I'm taking those 2 boxes and giving those away to the homeless. Only that I couldn't go take out with the damn wall mount because the dude who installed mine, boy, he used a drill and I can't take that bitch out. This here, pretty much doing the finishing touches before they come do this, especially because I'm trying to get my deposit back. Boy, that was a hefty deposit. So, yeah, I'm trying to go, it'll be in like 15-20 minutes. But when I say this place is empty, boy, I have never cleaned this hard before a day of my life, and if I don't get my deposit back, I'm gonna be pissed. Yeah, man, this is it. This is officially, and for everybody that's telling me, that's probably gonna tell me to the way I mop. Hey man, don't mind me. I'm just passing by time. All right, so I officially am out of here. Just signed paperwork. I did the inspection, only I paid for, which is $10 to touch up all the holes, these normal. Yes, I ain't doing that. I already got enough labor. And I'm not doing no damn labor, but yeah, man. That's a cool spot. I like the place a lot. I'm trying to find the lights. So I'm driving, and that started blinking. So let's see what the hell the problem is. I'm hoping I don't have another blown tire. I shouldn't have a blown tire. Oh my gosh. Let me get out the damn car. This is fucking stupid. I'm hoping I don't. I shouldn't. This back tire, brand new. This front tire is also brand new. But yeah, this tire is also new. Damn near brand new. Yeah, but this back tire right here is pretty low. So, but it's full of air though. I don't know. It should be good. Yeah, yo, I'm not gonna lie, I can't tell at all. So I'm looking on this side while driving, and I don't see anything. But I don't know if it's just the freeway or if my car is actually like making a rocking noise, because it is like not a rocking noise, but like it's, I don't know, it's part of the freeway. I'm probably overthinking. Yeah, because that light is always on. I don't know. I'm definitely overthinking probably. I don't know. Well, that last clip. Oh yeah, this tire, the back left tire was about to, boy, if I was smashing that and that tire exploded, oh, I'd have been dead. Good thing I did stop, because I definitely ain't want to go mess up the wrap. If you don't know, this tire over here, when this one blew, it tore everything in the back and messed up the white in the back. So good thing my car was not wrapped, man. I'm still missing one. That is crazy. Oh, jeez. I got a brand new tire.